Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a journal entry in Zoho Books. All right, so first up, log into your Zoho Books account, and in the left panel here we have Accountant. Okay, so what you do is just click on it and go and find manual journals. Okay, click on it, and in here you'll have a list of your manual journal. So what you'll do is just go ahead and select one, what you want to delete. Okay, and once done, just go ahead over to the top right. Okay, before you click on the three dots, make sure to review everything. Okay, review it if this is the one that you wanted to delete. So you can go ahead over the three dots right here, and as you can see, you have the delete button or option. So just click on it, and here we have a little pop-up that says, "Are you sure about deleting this journal entry?" Okay, so what you do is just click on yes, delete. Wait for it to load. It says here, the selected journal entry has been deleted, and as you can see here, mine is already clear. That is it. That is how you delete a journal entry here in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.